Wig coloring. Wig coloring services involve applying color to wigs to achieve a desired look or match a person's hair color. Professionals use various techniques, such as dyeing, highlighting, and lowlighting, to create different effects. Customers can choose from a wide range of colors, including natural shades, vibrant hues, and trendy tones. Wig coloring services provide a convenient way to customize wigs to suit individual preferences, allowing for personal expression and style versatility. It's important to consult with a skilled stylist who can assess the wig's material and recommend suitable products and techniques to ensure a successful and long-lasting color transformation. The ability to dye or color wigs to match specific shades or create unique color combinations is highly valuable. This skill involves understanding color theory, blending techniques, and using appropriate hair dyes or pigments.